Hello, welcome to the regulatory requirements page. First you need to do is in the occupational group you need to select the applicational group that the requirement is going to be pinned to within the application. Then the department, the designation. Now this is going to be for all delivery drivers, and the manager. Now when you look at the regulatory requirements, these are the requirements that a person or employee has to comply with in terms of acts or industry regulations or things like that. So it is basically a requirement from government that an employee has to comply with in order to perform a function within the organization. Now first it starts with the Act name. In other words, this is for the National Road Traffic Act of 1996. This is not for the amendment of 2003. The actual name of the regulation, and the application for professional driving permit is the name given to this requirement. Then the regulation number. Now this is where this requirement appears within the Act. The regulation description, this is a simple description that you can add yourself just to give you an idea of what the requirement is for. The regulation requirement, and this is now for a professional driving permit or the PRDP, and it replaces the PDP of old. Then you select the renewal cycle. Now the renewal cycle can be anything from 1 month to 60 months, and it depends on when this regulation or when the skill has to be updated. Next you select the NQF level. It's going to be intermediate, advanced entry, as well as the NQF level for this skill, and we selected NQF level 5, which is the equivalent of a higher certificate for this specific requirement. Next is the delivery type. Again, you select the type of delivery methodology that will be used for the person to obtain this regulations requirement, the cost, further and higher and other education, where this driver would get this training, who will fund the training, either is it through a CETA, is it through a national industry body, is it through someone else, or is it via the employee himself, and then whether this skill is for a rural or a urban learner. Alright, if you have any problems with this, please email us at support. Thank you very much.